In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars a day promoting CPA offers from specific countries. And in this video, we will be taking Slovenia as an example. And also, I'm going to show you how to create a very simple converting landing page like this that you can use to collect leads for absolutely free. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. The first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You want to sign up to CPA Networks, where you can get CPA offers, and you can sign up to the likes of cpagrip.com or cpalead.com. And if you come over to these platforms, all you need to do is to click on the register now button, and you will be able to create your account and get approved right away. So once you create your account, you want to scroll down and go to where it says my offers. And if you do this, you want to come over to the country section and you want to change this to all countries. And now if you do this, you are going to see the top offers other affiliates are using to make money on the platform. And now the second thing you want to do is to check if the offer is available on at least 2 devices. Okay, just like this one right here, as you can see, it's available on all mobile devices and it's also available on desktop. So it's very important you do this, as this tells you you can make the most money with your traffic. So now we are going to take this Slovenia offer as an example. So if I click on this offer, so if you open the offer, you are going to see all the information about the offer. This is the title of this offer. And now most people don't understand the language, and all you need to do is very simple. You want to right click and save the image to your device. So once you save the image to your device, all you need to do is to head over to translate.google.com and you want to click on the image section. So once you click on the image section, you want to then upload the CPA offer image. Once you do this, then you want to come over here and you want to make sure it translates this language to English. And here you want to make sure to change this to detect language. So once you do that, then you want to toggle this button that says show original. And now it's going to show you the original image and the translated version as well. As you can see right here, it says join the subscription service to get free authors games on your device. So once you do that, the next step is to create a very simple landing page. And all you need to do is to go over to site.google.com and you'll be able to create a very simple landing page like this. So once you come over to Google site, all you need to do is to click on blank site. So you want to delete the whole of this and you want to click on images and you want to upload the CPA offer image. All right, so if I right click on this, as you can see, it's going to bring this image and you want to make sure to drop it to the center. So once you do this, the next thing is to make sure to come over here and you want to right click and you want to click on this insert link button, and here you want to go back to the CPA offer and you want to paste in your offer link. So all you need to do from here is to copy the CPA offer link and you want to come back here and you want to paste in the offer link in this box. So once you add your link to the image, this is literally all you need to do to create your landing page. So once you do all of this, this is where you want to publish the landing page and you want to give the landing page a name. All right, so you want to type a name right here and you want to click on publish. And now the next step is to create multiple Facebook accounts. And this brings us to the point, if you are someone who is serious about making money online, then you need an anti-detect browser. And that brings us to Go Login. Go Login is an advanced anti-detect browser that helps you manage multiple profiles, which you can use to run and manage hundreds or thousands of social media accounts without getting detected. And also it has over 50 plus customizable parameters that you can use to create a unique profile and you can use to run accounts safely without getting detected. You can try Go Login for free by clicking on the link in the description, and you want to make sure to use my promo code SB Marketing to get 40% discount when you choose to pay for a monthly or a full year plan. The next step is creating Facebook accounts. So to create this Facebook account, you can use Go Login for this. As you can see, I have created 3 Facebook accounts so far that I am using for this strategy. So all you need to do is to come over here, create a Facebook profile, click on run to open one of the profiles. And now as you can see, this is a brand new Facebook account that I created for this purpose. So once you create an account on the profile, then you want to go over to the search section. You can type in PC gamers, you can type in mobile gamers and other keywords as well. So once you do this, then you want to scroll down and you want to click on groups. So if you do this, you are going to see endless groups that you can join, and you can use this to make money promoting this offer. So I'm going to take this group here as an example. So after joining this group, then you want to go over to Chat GPT, and you want to type in something simple like this: give me a list of 10 hottest mobile games of 2023. So once you do that, as you can see, it has given us a list of 10 mobile games that we can use to promote this offer. Then you want to come over to where it says write something. So once you do that, then you want to type in something very simple like this: the best mobile games of 2023. And this is where you want to paste in your landing page link. So you want to copy your landing page link and you want to paste it at the bottom right here. Okay, and now another thing I usually do, you want to translate this call to action by coming over to text, and here you want to type, paste in the call to action like this. All right, download and play games. So you want to copy this call to action like this, all right, because we are targeting people from Slovenia. So this is going to help a lot to filter a lot of the traffic who are not from Slovenia going to your landing page. All right, you want to also do the same thing for this right here. All right, as you can see, the best mobile games for 2023. All you need to do is to copy this and you want to paste it right here. However, if you are targeting an English speaking country, you don't need to do this. You can just go ahead and leave everything in English. But because we want to target only people who are from Slovenia, and they are the only ones who would understand this post, and once they click on the link, they will be taken to the landing page, and once they enter their phone number, we will be making money. So once you have everything done like this, then you want to click on post. And keep in mind, some Facebook groups are not going to approve your post, but that is absolutely normal. And this is why you want to create multiple Facebook accounts, and for each account you want to join at least 20 groups, and that way you are going to have access to hundreds of groups, because some of the admins will definitely let you post in the groups.